Also, I've been hobby programming, thinking of making the jump, but I'm 40 something. Go for it. I think as we get older, we tend to be, to a fault, more realistic about certain things. And when I say that, it's maybe it's more pessimistic, where we just create these walls of reasons why we can't do certain things. But when you're young, you have this kind of like ignorance is bliss mindset that you could do anything you put your mind to. And maybe we are more realist as we get older, but that's also could be a hindrance to ourselves. And I would say, like, have that young learning spirit, regardless of how old you are. And what's the worst that can happen if you take the jump and learn how to code? Yeah, you might fail, but at least you tried. But if you keep dwelling on this idea that, oh, I'm too old, or I'm not sure if this is for me, without ever trying, I don't know. For me personally, I would say I'd rather be in a position where I said I tried and failed than never try at all.